Hi, my name is Michael Blickensdorfer, and here we are at the Swiss Tech Pavilion with our company Rimon Technologies. And what we do is we help preserving the valuable expert knowledge of industrial workers on the shop floor.
What do you mean, like extra work, extra information? What is this?
Yes, so as you can imagine, on the shop floor, there are very well experienced workers that have been in the company for over 20-30 years, and they gain a lot of expertise over these years. But when they leave or retire, a lot of this tribal knowledge, we call it, is being lost. And we developed the knowledge capturing system so that the expert can, on a job, easily document what they do, and we feed that back into our system, so when a new employee starts working there and needs to know something, they can just easily retrieve this information out of our system.
Do you do like oh, this is the end of the show. Do you do what's it called, AI analysis of what's happened in the daily life of a worker to kind of like synthesize it, summarize it, or what?
Yeah, quite similar. So how we do it is like that the expert wears a body cam, for example.
Can you show a little bit how it looks?
So he wears it with an external microphone, which is optional, but they can just mount it easily
on the body.
And this allows them to conduct the work, so to document basically on the job, so they don't get interrupted. And then they just explain, as you can see here, it's already gone, what they do. So it's basically like job shadowing, but transferred to a digital way to do it. So we take then this video, transcribe it, and actually feed it into our system, which we call Digital Vulture. And anytime somebody needs to know something, they just scan the QR code and they ask the questions, and our system looks through all these videos and brings back the video snippet showing exactly step by step what is being needed to, for example, change the filter of a coffee maker.
Nice. So is there a lot of applications for this potentially?
Yes, so we focus ourselves on manufacturing, so really the shop floor where people are working on the machines, where they need to make sure that they run, doing service or maintaining. But it can be used by a huge variety of different applications, wherever craftsmanship is involved, or where you have like manual process that go beyond the desktop application. We can be a good partner, a good solution for such.
What's the price for this solution? It's like a 360, Insta360 you use, and then you have the software back it.
So the solution depends a bit on actually the use case that we provide to. So usually we start with 10K per customer. It's a platform-based subscription, and the hardware is additional on top.
Could you in theory integrate like security cameras inside the company, or it's only word?
It's really only focused on mobile cameras. There are some other companies focusing on fixed camera systems, but we want to kind of like provide a very natural, straightforward process for the people to document, because usually these experts, they are not the ones that sit down at the computer and write down what they do. So we kind of like have to capture on the job what they do.
Is there also any chance that you do what's it called, other recording devices, like those little Ray-Ban kind of things, or like you just wear glasses, you can record from that?
Yes, so we take any video source basically, so even if there is already existing.
Maybe there's a smart camera hat, or I don't know, something.
Yeah.
That's maybe a little bit less intrusive.
Yeah, the thing is, we recommend this type of body camera because it has a great field of view. As you might know, a manufacturing worker is doing a lot of hand movements, and sometimes it's kind of like going beyond the field of view, and that's why we recommend this type of device, but it can also be any other type of camera.
And you analyze everything in the cloud with a huge supercomputer somewhere in the cloud, and you do that?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Cool.